Hello. Welcome to another vlog. Today we rode from Bloemfontein to Welkom, attending a fun walk from 057 riders. And guys, what is bringing me here? Let me tell you, it will be my first time on track with my F900R, actually ever in my life. So we arrived at Shell Garage, where it's a meeting point of the walk itself and all the bikers. And our members are arriving. Everybody is arriving. It just so happens that members of my club are the ones arriving more. So the people you see are the ones that are going to walk a 10-kilometer walk from here to the track itself. The track is Phakisa International Freeway. So I am looking forward to it. I am excited and nervous at the same time. I have no idea what to expect. And you know what? I think I'll by the time I leave this place, I would have learned so much. And it's always a pleasure riding with other bikers and meeting new people. And as usual, I'm still the only lady riding here. So this entire vlog is about that track for me personally. It's about that track. So the walk started, and we were assisting with the closing of the roads because the cars, they were not so friendly for the walkers. And we arrived and we found the others there, and they were already doing their runs and stuff. Man, it looks so cool. So before we went, before we could start anything, we were given an information session. We were at least given a small lesson. This guy is from our club. We have a track rider in our club. So and then we watched the two that went, which they do this for on a professional level. So we watched them do that, and it looked so cool. Anyway, so on our side, we were about to start with the session, and we were going to receive a few lessons. So most bikers were arriving and getting ready, wearing their suits, those on super bikes, and then that's when we got the 411.
So why is that? Why is it going? We go ya mo basanti. O sheba mo ya ndi. Ha o khutla hape o tla ntho. Ha o tla ka mona hape wa tseo. Okay. So ke simple. Ba bitsa stock suite. Selete sa se shape. Okay. How is it in our phone? Yeah, so that no be mono. So easy hotel. Okay. I was so fast. So I went to the bike. So the car.
Mina ndizokwenza loo nto kodwa ndibonile at least. So here they took us for a first run just to check how the track is.
J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission is same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this a buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the grave. Never gon' fumble it, I get the bag and I run with it. Gunning it. Murray with the legs, all about finesse, I am not impressed. I don't need a rash coming in with blast, then you see the flash. L.O.K. with the melody and the kiss of kind of breath. 70, keep it heavenly, everybody get the breath.
There I was. I think this was the first round, trying to see what is happening here. So Now I think this was the second now. So yeah, it went on. Let me tell you, I think I did this 11 times because it was so nice. And every time I felt that I was actually getting better on those curves. I was getting better on those curves. So I went so many times. I would rest for like 15 minutes and then I would want to go again. So I went so many times that by the time I was done, those curves were, I could do them easily. I was no longer, nervous when I approached them. It was much better, much better. And this is where I learned how to maneuver the curves actually. Also took a video while riding, so this was from my bike. Excuse the poor vision, however, but I was putting my phone in something, so I think it's the one that blocked the proper vision. However, this was me, and yeah, this was the trek itself. Oh gosh, it was so nice. Like, I enjoyed myself so much. I was so tired. I was so exhausted after all of this, guys. I went so many times. Believe me when I tell you, I went like, I think I did more than 20 rounds just trying to, feel maybe I could do better. No, when I approach that one, let me go wider, let me go in, like the apex, all of those. Look, I did this so many times. I enjoyed myself. Sure, if I was doing this on a super, it was even gonna be better. But yeah, this was me. And sorry for the long trek video. However, please enjoy. I enjoyed it. I loved it. I could not help myself. So I've learned to bond with my bike, and I've learned how to control my bike.
Elohim with the melody, and then he supply the bread. 70, keep it heavenly, everybody get the bread. Yeah. Felt like nobody understood me. Yeah. Product of the city, kept it solid like it should be. Yeah. Chances I ain't never take, we never saw what it could be. No way. So many people call me fake, cause I took a step out. Hood baby, took it farther than the south. I'm like, tell me where to go. Even in my high times, I be feeling low. Secrets deep inside, looking for answers, let me know. Pain in my eyes, vision blurry. Peace in my mind, don't worry. In need of direction. Tired of chasing perfection. Took a lot of L's on the road to redemption, and no exception. I need some clarity. Not begging for prosperity. I need some clarity. Open my eyes, Lord. Open my eyes, Lord. I'm sick and tired of being tired. Tired of being sick. In my head 24/7, how I'm supposed to pay the rent. Missing practice, I don't play. Friday nights we on the bench. Tryna come up with a play. If it don't work, then hit a lick. So if knocking at my door, praying they ain't tell. I'm studying her word, prayer. Baby excel, got away with way too much. Should've got expelled, but the school saw my potential. Smart kid trying to rebel. Yeah. Even in them darkest times, I be feeling bold. Secrets deep inside, looking for answers. Let me know. Pain in my eyes, vision blurry. Peace in my mind, don't worry. In need of direction. Tired of chasing perfection. Took a lot of L's on the road to redemption. Ain't no half stepping. I need some clarity. Not begging for prosperity. I need some clarity. Open my eyes, Lord. Open
now must go join the event itself, and things were about to start. The games were about to start, and yeah, everything just went well. So here I was on my way to just check what is happening on the other side of the track, so which is where the main event actually was being held for 057. So yeah, this was me on taking content, guys, taking content. So yeah, watching this guy dance here.
You now rocking with the best. Stepping on the gas, no brake light. I got a big dream and I aim high. Take a risk every time I play dice. I shake 'em up and it's snake eyes. I'm the same guy on the same grind. Busy printing money, watch the paint dry. My intuition told me through the grapevine that I'ma get rich and I ain't lying. Yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rocking with the best. You good, girl?
I'm good, thanks.
You are?
Yes.
Man. Yeah. Having a good time with Queen T. Yeah.
Moi.
Yeah. The lily in our club. The rose among the thorns in our club. Yeah. You crazy.
So all was done, and then now I believe it was going to be time for prize giving, and yours truly received a few, or should I just say one, but the club received a couple. So yeah, so we're just chilling now, just dancing the afternoon away, and those that are leaving are leaving. But yeah.
Gunning it, Murray with the legs, all about finesse, I am not impressed. I don't need a rash coming in with last, then you see the flash. Elohim with the melody and the kiss of pot of breath. 70, keep it heavenly, everybody get the bread. I got the bread and I got the juice. I got some dogs and I let them loose. Bring in the storm and this ain't the Zeus. Walk in the skies but this ain't the loop. This ain't the truth. We ain't the same, you ain't have a clue. I'm in the game and untouchable, cause I got the flame and this is the proof. Loading my tote, I still want all the smoke. We ain't talking about jokes, we just talking about more. I see all of my goals and it's looking like gold. I ain't asking for hope cause I know that this